Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer your Google Authenticator to a new phone. First, open the Google Authenticator app on your new device. Tap on Get Started if prompted and select Use without an account to begin setting up your Authenticator. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the app. This will prepare the app to import your existing accounts from another device. Now, tap on Import Account located at the bottom of the screen. You'll be prompted to select the method to import your accounts. Choose Scan QR Code. Switch over to your old device where your current Google Authenticator is installed. Ensure the app is updated to the latest version. Open the app and tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner to open the menu. Look for the Transfer Accounts option and select it. Then choose Export Accounts. Select all the accounts you want to transfer to your new phone and tap Next. This will generate a QR code on your old device. Using your new device, open the Google Authenticator app and use its QR code scanner to scan the QR code displayed on your old device. This action will transfer all selected accounts to your new phone. So that's basically how you can transfer your Google Authenticator to a new phone. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.